The slim and strong stretch film, made of the best raw material empowered by the great technique. Silage wrap featured with strong UV protection and excellent adhesiveness. Let me introduce you the products of 죽암M&C, specialize in industrial and agricultural films. We care the nature and the future of agriculture. 죽암 Group, which began with the project of reclaimed land in Gohung, and the result was 661 hectare of farming land. In 1999, when the company led the development of agriculture by supplying agricultural machinery that are used for complex eco-friendly farming. We built the silage film production factory based on accumulated know-how and technology. 죽암M&C, offering various films made of the best technology in best facilities to industrial sites and agricultural farms. The main products, industrial stretch films, based on the structure of 5 and 7 layers, consist of hand rolls and machine-wrapped jumbo rolls. Thickness varies from 8 micron to 35 micron, basic width of 500 millimeters. We make films of various sizes and colors upon the buyer's requests. 죽암's high-performance films have strong tensile force and tearing strength. Plus, slim but strong adhesiveness protect the wrapped material securely. Most of all, high-performance stretch films are eco-friendly products by overcoming the thickness limit of common films and reducing both the cost of cargo wrapping and disposing of discarded material. And agricultural silage wraps consist of JAS 25 and 30 by its thickness. One of its excellent features is blocking off air to properly ferment baled silage. It also has effective UV protection function. Other than that, it shows great strength and adhesiveness compared to other products. In 2016, we began to export the products to the US and won the prize of export $1 million. Now, we export all over the world, such as Japan, Russia, Australia, etc. 죽암M&C, by constantly investing in R&D, its innovative results make it possible to produce the best industrial and agricultural films. We will open the new chapter of sustainable future by producing high-quality, eco-friendly products.